Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve this exponential equation. 9 power x, it is equal to 120. As it is an exponential, we take log on both sides. We get log of 9 power x, it is equal to log of 120. On using logarithm property, log of a power x, it is equal to x times log of a. We get x times log of 9, it is equal to log of 120. Now on dividing both sides by log of 9, we get x times log of 9 over log of 9, it is equal to log of 120 over log of 9. We get x, it is equal to log of 120 over log of 9. Now 120 can be breakdown as 3 times 40. Now x, it is equal to log of 3 times 40 over log of 9. Now we use the logarithm property, log of a times b, it is equal to log of a plus log of b. This gives out x, it is equal to log of 3 plus log of 40 over log of 9. Now we have x, it is equal to log of 3 over log of 9 plus log of 40 over log of 9. Now it is equal to log of 3 over log of 9 can be written as 3 squared plus log of 40 over log of 9. Thus x, it is equal to log of 3 over 2 times log of 3 plus log of 40 over log of 9. Now this log of 3 and this log of 3 can be cancelled out. Thus, our final answer is x, it is equal to 1 plus log of 40 over log of 9. Hope you like this video. If you like this, make sure you're subscribed this channel for more maths videos.